Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today we bring you a typical Portuguese soup that warms the heart on cold days. This soup is called green soup, or in Portuguese, Caldo Verde. Come with us to learn this easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients: 2 medium-sized onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 glass of olive oil, 1/2 kilogram of peeled potatoes, 5 large cabbage leaves, a piece of chorizo and salt. Start by slicing the garlic and the onions. Roll the cabbage leaves around each other like a cigar and slice the cabbage into thin strips. In a pan, put the olive oil, the garlic and the onions. Let it cook for 5 minutes or until the onion is transparent. Add the whole chorizo and potatoes cuted into quarters. Cover with water and let it boil until the potatoes are well cooked, almost falling apart. Remove the chorizo from the pan and grind the soup. Cut the chorizo into slices and add to the soup. Also add the sliced cabbage, and let it cook for 5 minutes. You have your soup ready. Now is the time to enjoy it. Goes well with a good red wine. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or want to learn a specific recipe, please leave them in the comments.